You want to do that one? Perfect. Okay. Which one? That one? Okay. You're very good at this one. Let's go do this.
Okay, go ahead and do your work, and when you're finished, you can get up and go get another one over there and switch, okay? Everybody see what Ocean did? She matched all the numbers with the D. Now, Ocean, what if I ask you what 50 and 3 is?
Spade. It is for spades.
Madden, what about 70 plus 8?
78.
Very good. What about 10 plus 10? Ocean.
Very good, Hinlin.
Yay! How about 50 plus 50, Madden?
Very good, Justin.
Good job.
That's a half. Where does your half go? Very good.
100.
What if you
Very
have 100
good,
and
Justin.
you take 50 away? How many do you have left?
50.
Yay! Justin, do you want to come over here for a minute with your work? And tell us what these are? What's this one called? Remember? Pole. And this one? Okay, go put it back on the table. Go find another word. And Mace, you're done.
wanna
with
pick
that
this one?
Okay, go find another one, Maddie, that you want to do.
How about this? How about shapes? That one? Okay, go ahead. That's fine.
Justin, good.
Very good, Mason.
Okay, good. Mason, come here, show us. What did you make? Oh, good job. Woo. Okay. And Sophia, maybe can.
Now
You
3.
want to do the counting work?
How many do you need to put? How many dots right there? Then, Sophia. ¿Quieres este? No,
Zero means nothing. That's right. Did you hear that?
¿Cuál
Okay, we
quieres?
put one over here.
¿Quieres este? Very good. 3
this
and
one,
3
Maggie,
dots.
this one.
Excellent. Very good.
And then
Now you need
2.
4.
1, 2. One more. 2.
How many dots?
And 3. One more.
What
Good
is-
job, Justin.
what is this one? 0 is
Very
what?
nice. Go put it away and get another one.
Nothing. Very good.
One more.
No, 2.
8. Let's count 8. 1. Uno más. Okay. Mason, have you done your these? Very good, Henlin. Okay, find another number.
This is going to be
Okay,
everybody's
10
last work. We're going to
is
finish up and put
1.
it away.
Really
Oh, yeah.
Justin. Oh, you
Así fue. We say hello to each other. Hi, how is everybody doing? Hi, butterfly. Hi, Mason. Hi. Hi, little bee. Hi, turtle. Hi, Okay, let's sing goodbye to the puppets and goodbye to everybody. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir.
Good job. Good job.
And we're gonna go. You guys actually we have party. We can drive by and okay.